Hello, hello. So, you're a virtual assistant and you're just starting out. Now you wonder what services can I offer? There are so many services you can offer, but look at what you're comfortable with. Look at what your experience is. I mean, you can do administrative support, you can do social media management, scheduling posts for people of their businesses and things like that. You can do customer support, processing orders or complaints, or managing queries from people about the person's business that you're helping with. Research task, market research, competitor analysis, things like that. You can do e-commerce support, order processing and tracking, inventory updates, things like that, content creation. I mean, writing blogs, and with AI, it's a good start. Remember, with AI, make sure that it aligns with your clients' way of doing business and things like that. Don't just take AI and take it off ChatGPT and let it run. It's not going to, it actually has to have a voice of your client. Basic website management, uploading blogs, updating content. If that's something that you're interested in, go with it. Try it out. See. Be a personal assistant VA. Booking travels, online shopping, reminding them of important dates, birthdays, things like that. Lead generation, identifying potential clients or leads. Basic bookkeeping, if you like accounts, if you like figures, recording transactions on QuickBooks or Excel or something like that to make it easier for your client. That's a good way to start. So there are many things you can do, but just look at offering two or three and then building from there. Upskill as much as you need. Check out Canva and Trello and Slack, social media platforms. Create a profile for yourself, create a portfolio, and showcase what you can offer your client. Don't send them a CV. I've had to look for somebody to assist me and people were sending me CVs. Don't send a CV. Send a portfolio. You are a business owner if you are running your own virtual assistant business. You are a business owner. Do not send CVs. Send a portfolio. Get comfortable with Canva. There are great templates on there that you can use and change and make it your own. Stand out and network. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook groups, things like that. Get your name out there. But so far, those are some of the things that you can offer as a VA that's starting out. But remember, make it your own. Don't just cut and paste things from AI and things like that. Create a voice for yourself, for your business, and run with it. Show people what you're made of. Don't be scared. Pull on the experiences that you have. Anyway, have a great day.